Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Emily and in today's video we are going to pick the winner from Scrap Diva Designs Christmas in July video hop. So I'm so excited to pick the winner. With me today I have Felicia, my daughter. She's going to help me count and pick the winner of this hop. And I just want to take a second and thank you all for participating in this video hop. It means so much to me that you were here and left so sweet comments. I was thinking that we are going to sort all of the comments by the latest one, who's the winner. Yeah, I'm a little bit late with this one. I think I should have picked the winner a couple of days ago, but I have been having guests staying at my house, so I haven't had time to do it yet. So I will do it today instead. So I will scroll down. You can see all of your names here. Thank you so much for all of the nice comments. I really read them and I hope to be able to respond to them soon. I know that I have been responding to a couple of the ones that left comments in the beginning of this hop, but as I mentioned, I have been having company, so I haven't been able to do it yet. But yes, I hope you enjoyed this video hop. There were so many talented crafters participating, so I hope you find some new inspiration there. So we are soon at the bottom here, and I was thinking maybe Felicia, you can pick a number and we can count together. 17. Okay, so we're gonna count together. It might be so that we are counting wrong, but the one we are choosing, that's the one that's gonna get our gift certificate from my channel. So I just wanted to point that out. So let's start. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. And this is our winner. Okay. Sorry about my voice, but congratulations. I probably will butcher your name. Diva6751. Do you think that's the right pronunciation, Felicia? You like 67, right? Yeah, so I will get in contact with you and you can give me your email address and I will I think we will do it like this, that I will actually write my email address here for you and you can respond to me, and that way I can get you in touch with Erica, who is the host of this Christmas in July video hop. So one more time, thank you so much for everybody who participated. I so enjoyed this hop and I also got so much love and joy and inspiration from it. So I hope she will do it next year as well. And until next time, I hope you have a great day. Bye!